Hello. Like most university-aged students today, I woke up sort of with a headache and a lousy feeling in my stomach. A morsel of regret, even. Now, this is okay, because what that usually means is that you've spent the night before with friends, pubbing and clubbing and dancing and laughing and having a nice time, and this feeling today is just a small price to pay for that lovely evening with friends, etc. Now, the difference with me, I suppose, is that I didn't spend the evening pubbing or clubbing or dancing or laughing or even with friends. I spent the evening with myself and some lovely Budweisers. And it makes you think, why am I waking up today with this feeling, with no nice evening in return? So one thing I'm good at, other than drinking obviously, is our computers and writing really bad code or stealing code from Stack Overflow. So I thought I'd write a program that tells me, I'll tell my computer to tell me to stop drinking, because probably should, especially on a Monday evening. It's Tuesday today. A Monday evening alone. I don't even know what I was doing. I think I was watching YouTube. So without further ado, I don't know if this will work or not. I will try. Maybe there is no cure, but let's see. Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is Googling, because I'm not a genius. I am a good Googler, I suppose, and I don't really want to build something from scratch. I just want to download something that kind of works, and then I want to sort of build upon it and do my own thing. But, you know, efficiency, guys, come on. Object detection, camera. I don't even want to read how it works yet. Type of file can harm your computer. Keep, perfect. CD, I'm going to just make a new, what am I going to call it? Operation Drink Less. And then I'll move this object here. Can I run it from the get-go? I don't have COVID, I promise. I don't go outside. Okay. Okay, I've decided to do it the hard way. Myself. I'm gonna have to do this myself. Well, sort of obviously with the help of Google, but I can't just download a Python file. I don't even know what to call it. It's looking promising. Cool, so we've got me. Now we need object detection. Okay. Right, I'm literally where I was 3 hours ago, but it runs now, and you can still import the TensorFlow. No, you can now import the TensorFlow library. I don't know why I'm so bad at computer science. Okay. now I just need to load models, and then it does like the whole comparison thing, and then I should have object detection, and then I just need to make it so it detects only bottles of beer. So yeah. Okay, so I've finally got it to sort of run. It's horrendous. It doesn't. It does it like 1 frame a second, but well, actually, first of all, we have to wait for it to launch. Okay, so look, it detects. No matter how slow, you actually might not be able to see this. Oh no, let's go. There we go. Bottle. There we go. It's starting to work. Right. So I've just hopefully got something working. Let's wait for it to load up. It takes a long while. There we go. If I try and then I bring a bottle in. There we go. So we finally got stop drinking, stop drinking, stop drinking. So I now just need to do something with this. Hello again. It's now, and I've sort of finished what I set out to do. It's rubbish. It doesn't really work. Complete waste of time. But it kind of does something. I guess I did intend for it to stop me drinking, and ironically, I've started drinking earlier than I would usually. So I guess you can't necessarily consider it a win in any way, shape, or form. But I'll show you what I managed to, come up with. Right, so I guess a bit of context is I watched the film The Gentleman a while ago. I liked the scene where he's chasing these guys who've got a phone, and he shouts at them basically. So I sort of, that's the warning. So if I open up this, and then I go to, ooh.
Stop fucking around, cunt! What the?
Alcoholic beverage.
On the ground. Stop fucking around, cunt!
Oh.
What the?
Okay. Alcoholic beverage. See, it doesn't really do much. It's quite bad. Okay, so to finally wrap things up, it does nothing. It's rubbish. It was a waste of time. I will never use it, but let's just say that you did. This is an example. You're, I don't know, watching your favourite YouTuber, Rod, on YouTube, and you go to get a drink, and you go to drink it.
Stop fucking around, cunt! What the?
Alcoholic beverage.
On the ground.
I like that part. But yeah, so it's rubbish. But yeah, thanks for watching.